Hey, hello foodies, this is Poonam Bachcha. Welcome back to Poonam's Annapurna Kitchen. Monsoon is here and if you're craving for some restaurant style coffee at home, this video is just for you. Today I'll be sharing my version of homemade cappuccino. Nothing can beat the warmth and comfort you get after sipping your favorite hot beverage on a rainy day. But when stepping out is not an option, especially in the current scenario of COVID pandemic, you can still treat yourself with a flavorful creamy cappuccino at home using this 3 ingredient easy to follow recipe. Basically, cappuccino is an espresso-based coffee drink of Italian origin. The method I am going to share today is one of the simplest and easiest way you can make cappuccino at home. And best part is that to make this cappuccino at home, you do not require any fancy ingredient or equipment like a coffee machine. First, we will learn how to make a cappuccino premix, which you can store in the refrigerator up to 3 weeks. With this cappuccino premix ready at hand, making a perfect creamy cappuccino is a breeze. So why wait? Let's get started. Before we move ahead, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it for more such healthy and delicious recipes. Also click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. You can find the list of ingredients in the description box as well. We will begin by making a cappuccino premix. For that I have taken 4 tablespoons of coffee powder, 4 to 6 tablespoons of sugar. Here I have taken granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of cold water. You have to give it a good stir. Keep stirring the solution until all the sugar dissolves. Now we have to beat this coffee mixture until it is light and fluffy. I am using an electric hand blender for this. If you do not have an electric hand blender, you can beat this coffee mixture with a balloon whisker using your hand manually. But it requires a good arm strength and you need to beat this coffee mixture at least for 10 to 12 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. With an electric hand beater, it took me 5 minutes to beat this coffee mixture. You can see our coffee mixture has become so soft, light, airy and fluffy. It has increased in volume and the color also has changed. This is our cappuccino premix. You can easily store this cappuccino premix for 2 to 3 weeks in refrigerator in an airtight container. With this premix ready at hand, you can treat yourself with a creamy restaurant style cappuccino in a jiffy. Now we will proceed towards making cappuccino. For that I have taken 500 ml of full cream milk. Allow the milk to cook on low to medium flame. When it is about to boil, stir it with a balloon whisker. Keep stirring the milk for another 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium flame until it turns nice and frothy. Now take a coffee mug and add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of our ready cappuccino premix. Now slowly add some boiled milk over it and give it a good stir. Now fill the coffee mug with more boiled milk. Now top the coffee with a teaspoon of cappuccino premix and slowly stir it. You can see how rich and creamy our coffee looks with a perfect restaurant style frothy top. You can serve this delightful cappuccino right away. I am going to give my cappuccino a designer look and make it more artistic. For that I have filled a cone with some chocolate syrup. Now we will make 3 concentric circles with the chocolate syrup on top of our cappuccino. Now using a toothpick, draw as many straight lines as you can, starting from the center of the circle towards its edges. Our beautiful spider web pattern is ready and it looks simply gorgeous, doesn't it? With this homemade cappuccino, I am sure you are not going to miss the restaurant style coffee anymore. Now I will share one more method of serving the cappuccino in a stylish way. Add cappuccino premix to the coffee mug, top it with some hot milk, give it a good stir. Now that we have a creamy frothy top layer, we will decorate it with a heart shape. Now as you can see, we are preparing a small heart shape cutout on a piece of paper. Now place the paper with a heart shape cutout over the coffee mug. Now you may sprinkle coffee powder, cocoa powder, cinnamon powder or chocolate powder over it. If you have neither of them, you can simply flavor your coffee with some chocolate flavored health drink like Bournvita or Horlicks. Now add some milk foam around the heart and with a toothpick make swirls around it. Lastly, we will garnish our third cappuccino as well. You can treat your unannounced guest with this beautiful looking delectable cappuccino or make it on special occasions or even parties. Do let me know in the comment section which of this garnishing you like the most. I hope you enjoy this homemade cappuccino as much as we do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with us in the comment section below. If you're new to this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. For new recipe updates, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the links in the description box below. Friends, if you enjoy watching my video, do share it with your friends and family. You can share your feedback, suggestions and recipe requests in the comment section below. See you soon with yet another healthy and delicious creation from my kitchen. Until then, stay safe and eat right. Happy cooking, happy eating. Bye-bye.